Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import Excel data in your data grid view using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So I have some data in an Excel file and I want to transfer that data in the data grid view or a table inside my Visual Basic form. So how can I do it? I will show you today. So first of all, let me show the demonstration. I have the Excel file called book1, and in here I have some data for name, surname and age, and these are some names and surname. And when I run my program, I want to load this Excel data, which is this data, to my data grid view in my forms. When I click this button, this data should come here. Let's see if it happens or not. You can match the content: Mark, John, Julie, Peter, Aaron, and in here same data is coming. So let me show you how I have done that. First of all, just take a button from your toolbox and take a data grid view. Okay, and the data grid view name is data grid view 1. Now I will just double click this button, and first of all I have written a try catch block. So this will help us to catch any exception when executing this code. Okay, so just make a try catch block first, like this, and inside our try catch block just write a variable. So just write dim my connection as system.data.oledb connection, and the second variable we are going to declare is a dataset variable. So just write dim dataset as system.data.dataset, and the third variable we are going to declare as dim my command as system.data.oledb connector. So just declare these three variables, and the fourth variable we will store the path of the Excel file in this fourth variable. So just declare dim path as string is equal to wherever your Excel file is, just go to the location. So my Excel file is this. I will right click my Excel file, go to the properties, and I will go to the security, and I will copy the path of this Excel file, the whole path, and go to the project code. And in here what I have done is I have just pasted this path here. And don't forget to add extra slash here if you are using backward slashes. Otherwise you need to change these slashes as forward slashes, like these. Okay, so you can do one of the two options. So just add double slashes to the path, and then in the next line just copy this MySQL connection is equal to new system.data.oledb connection. And in here what I have done is I have written in the double quote, I have written an argument. So just write provider is equal to Microsoft dot ace dot capital OLEDB dot 12 dot 0, then give this semicolon, and then give the data source, which is our path to the Excel file. So just write data source is equal to, and in the double quotes and inside these plus signs just write the path, which is our path to the Excel file, right? This is the path. Okay, so path, and then give the semicolon, and then write extended properties is equal to Excel space 12.0, then semicolon, and then this double quote close. Okay, and then in the next line just write the my command is equal to new system.data.oledb.oledb adapter, and in here what we are going to do is we are going to pass two variables. One is MySQL connection, which we have declared above, which is this one, right? So the second argument is the MySQL connection, and the first argument is select star from your sheet number. Okay, so in the square bracket you need to give the sheet number and then this dollar sign. Okay, so what is the sheet number? Sheet number is this sheet number. So right now you can see here my Excel document contains sheet number 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, right? When I click these sheet number here, so my data is in sheet number 1, that is the name of the sheet, right? So just copy the name sheet 1 and just write it here, sheet 1, and then just give this dollar sign right here. Okay, so just write this code here, and in the next line just copy this dataset variable is equal to new system.data.dataset, and then in the next line just write this MySQL command is equal to fill this dataset variable. Okay, and then we will just need the data set to load in our data grid view. So just write the name of your data grid view, which is data grid view 1. If you can see here, data grid view 1 dot data source is equal to dataset dot table, and inside here this will be the argument 0. Okay, and then we will close the connection with our OLEDB connection, right? So just write my connection dot close. So this is the code to load Excel file inside your data grid view. I will also post the link to the blog entry in which I will just copy and paste this code, so that you can directly copy and paste your code and you don't need to worry about running this video again and again. Okay, so let me run the program once again, and when I click this load Excel, you can see Excel data from here. So in this way you can load Excel data or import Excel data inside your data grid view. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.